Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can create a chessboard in Microsoft Excel. So let's go quick into the process. So we need first to open Microsoft Excel. Go ahead in the Windows search bar and type Excel. Click on it under the best match. Click on the blank workbook. Then first is we just need to simply select the whole sheet. So press Ctrl plus A on keyboard. And now the whole sheet has been selected. Then you will find this column and this rows. So column are the standing lines or the vertical lines, and the rows are the horizontal lines. Now right click on one column and you'll find this option column width. Change this to 5, or it depends on your requirement, but if you want to follow the same thing as mine, you can simply do that. Click on OK. Then click on one, select it again. This one row, right click, and you will find the option row height. Click on that. I'm going to change this to 25, but it's up to you on your requirement. But if you can want to follow the same thing as mine, you can simply do that. Click on OK. And now this is how it looks like. Okay, so once done, so here we just need to simply choose 8 by 8 format. So count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then down 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. But you can also make it 9. Okay, now once done, you'll find here in the home tab conditional formatting. Click on this drop down arrow and choose new rule. Then this new formatting rule will appear. Click on this option, use a formula to determine which cells to format. Then I'm just going to paste a formula in here. This formula will be posted in the description section of this video, as you can see. Then click on format. Then we just need to simply choose the black color. So click on the fill tab. Then click on OK, and then OK again. And that's it. So as easy as that. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.